Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Ford brought back the compact truck segment in 2022 with the Maverick, a small pickup offering hybrid power. Now Ford is gearing up to refresh the Maverick for 2025, and it looks like the long-rumored performance variant, possibly named the Lobo, is on the horizon. Recent spy photos reveal a sporty Maverick with a bold design, driving completely undisguised. The most noticeable update is the new headlights. The old C-shaped style is replaced with sharp, hooked L-shaped lights, giving the truck a modern and aggressive look. This sportier Maverick prototype features a blacked-out grille with vertical slats and the updated Ford logo, first seen on the F-150. The front bumper has a wide air intake and integrated fog lamps. A radar sensor in the lower grille suggests enhanced driver assistance tech. Unlike previous models, this truck has a body-colored front bumper, side sills, bed rails, and rear bumper. The roof is painted black, adding to its assertive appearance. The standout feature is the new 19-inch black aerodisc wheels, reminiscent of classic Ford rally cars like the Escort RS Cosworth. Ford hinted at these turbofan wheels at the 2021 SEMA show with a modified Maverick by Tucci Hot Rods.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to get more videos and auto news. Let's keep it going.
Moving inside, the 2025 Maverick is expected to continue Ford's trend of blending functionality with modern technology. While the specific details of the interior updates are still under wraps, we can speculate based on Ford's recent advancements in other models. The interior is likely to feature a redesigned dashboard with a larger, more intuitive touchscreen infotainment system, possibly running the latest version of Ford's Sync software. The sporty variant, potentially named the Lobo, could feature unique interior accents like sport seats, with additional bolstering, contrast stitching, and perhaps even a sportier steering wheel with paddle shifters. Additionally, advanced driver assistance features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system are likely to be part of the package, especially with the hint of an upgraded radar sensor seen in the prototype. For the 2025 model, Ford is expected to refine this powertrain for even better performance and efficiency. However, the real excitement lies in the rumored performance variant, the Lobo. The Lobo is expected to come equipped with a more powerful engine option. While exact specifications are not yet confirmed, rumors suggest that it could feature a turbocharged 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine, similar to the one found in the Ford Mustang and Ford Ranger. This engine could potentially produce upwards of 300 horsepower, making the Lobo a true performance truck. Paired with a sport-tuned suspension, upgraded brakes, and all-wheel drive capabilities, the Lobo would offer an exhilarating driving experience both on and off the road. Stay tuned for more updates on this exciting new Maverick. Don't forget to like and subscribe.